years na ya dia man se won konkodam na NDC fo ni bi suro esan so omunim se MPP ba power say kim omu so be kwa akodam abusia sa media eye Kofi Tonto na Agyei aklashe e wa sempa FM na nse mo hye gu ani analysis odi amaye no ami ehunu se NDC fo bia ye kra na MPP wo so ye ntu gala na NDC fo akohye ho two forest ya reserve said this particular forest dey ye nkom no NDC fo no mu niema nyina ama nsonso na hyem nyina so mayi ni nyina ton abusia sa media ni aye nyan we ye nsen na ho de ama NDC ama yoko nsa ade bia wo bia na wo shine eyes omo je eye double salary omo a yesi ya kwan omo si omo nye omo akohye forest mi tufu magudie omo di aban sika no omo di omo si omo nsa na omo ti nyina bo omo di nyafu o dia na wo shine eyes cause anya sa na NPP nso ba power ade e besi wo Ghana na ebusia ye nyina enye efe na enye ye de eye mo nhwe TV subscribe like comment na share modofo bi enya bi enhwe
ama ne kwan se onye wanya approval from the minister
Obi.
And when you do that, I am running a clear 15 to 25 years.
Obi. You see, am I very careful? Yewo aban mu mpanyimfo a omoji akatua mienu. Akatua mienu. Enu nti na me ka se abanin ka se wuntumi abo my Ghana krono ana abanin ka se wuntumi asensase abanin ka se wuntumi ahe galamse the air can say
we facilitate galamse.
No, in fact, you see, I don't want to even go. I don't want to even go into the details because me a lawyer.
Okay.
Because in one breath, musi untumi the assassin and the man in one breath or facilitate which is which. Da ben or the maye or the authority maye and da ben or co-facilitate. There's a difference. And I'm to facilitate something means what?
Now, if it established, say indeed, what they were assassinating mine.
Yeah.
Na say so monfanya mining.
Yeah.
Na anything that happens on that land. As long as I already assassinate my one authorization from the minister, no, anything that happens on that land will be illegal mining. You are indirectly facilitating illegal mining. That's what that's the conclusion the court case.
The conclusion the court case. Facilitation and they say what the amount will be.
Yes.
And they say process how
it may not be one directly but what the assassinate will be or they yes you are facilitating.
I see. That's the proof.
Yes.
Hobby. You see. Tina medical gadget say. You see, say bibia e koso o mine mo. Eye say yenya munti ase say den na ye hwehwe frem. Di enti a Ghana for to abade ma yewra John Dramani Mahama ne say bekutia galamsey.
Sure.
Wanu mu a omu sensu wanu mu omu sensase obaye no wan kasa wabie wanu aka se o party fo sensuo sensase wan kasa wo member of parliament or what I will win ye nananu ahemfo ebie o ma no se o sensuo sensase wan kasa nipa ba kwa wo ahafo anon south or something
southeast or
something like that onon so oye bi in fact abrantia your friend Erastus wonu ankasa beka say national security for ebinimu ye galamsey so obi busa ho said the omampanyin na akasa omo ye bi in fact uko elembele uko mpoho uko various parts of this country ya wonu mu a omo ye galamsey na omo sensase no omo mu bia ni ho a watimi de ntansa abono de na court de odi ntansa abono ne said de odi na asase ma obi a kasa ho nchiwahye aba. I mean, come on, this is political persecution. Ohuye bufu will punish you.
And Chiaka or Chiano, they are coming.
Yancha or Casasa Mamana
will punish you. Because the sinning doesn't make sense. Doesn't make sense. Look, let it be stated on record. Say President Mahama or vindictive.
I didn't hear.
President Mahama or pretentious. Okay, can an imchenya me some pansu oni. I'm telling you. Because you see, my journey say, ye the binum be scapegoat. Will prove. Say galam say ya ba ya ye see be kuna ye ntimi ankono. Ya chi obi atum. Orala ye see be ya ye ntimi anya no ye be bie tribunals ni asesa nkofo akogum ni agu omanimu ase. Ene from nkokon ketenkete to judges in ketenkete. President Mahama judges in ketenkete all over the country. This is what is going on. Na de ya say mra o yes anema we no. Na ne party for de or sign omuti. Oba ye no. One more one the party mu. Aye den tansa ba omo no. Wa sign wo mu nyina ati. Ye ni ha na omo abeka kire say omo party mu mpanyimfo ye ayinti yen kohwehwe omo nsemu.
Yeah, ya mean near Bangade no. Okay.
Ye ni ha ena eye nano ohini bi frɛ I think say osi no ho baby I forgot the opanyi bi frɛ say I forgot the exact name but Eastern region ho baby panyi bi frɛ NDC new frɛ. And then also in Western region, I think Amenfi, one of the Amenfi constituencies. Party na kasa tro by say DC or ho ye galam say. I'm sure say okay sa statement no mo tro by. Nenya Wontumi in this particular case, one kasa wa ye galam say. What is going on in this country? 20 years. Me mo bi antrani. The me catch Eric and say ni suit na wa betena abesha wote ano onka ehunu say emre ye ni nkaso the me catch Eric and say emre ye ni nkaso
na Eric the way fan
oh that be so on a representation
for the NDC
okay because a bro adwene ne ntiase so untumi mokro no untumi nkun nipa untimi nye galamse untumi boni a waya ne se me de masase amaw mesi yewe o si da bi man kase yewe untimi boni a waya no na dia wasai asase no aban no de na hye ne na moto mu bono ho ban the one who engaged in galamse no is protected. What is going on? Ghana for ye interested in the Omosaya Sasseno.
But Sir President Mahama promises so bar he would go after the big wigs. And yet Emrantia de Maba one guam about big wigs.
Obi. In this case, there is no established evidence Wontumi was a big wig.
But based on the judgment of the court, it is now established until that judgment is reversed. It's now established that Wontumi in this case played the role of the big wig. So illegal mining in the words of the court. And that's why the court came to the conclusion he facilitated.
Be a big wigger. The person, but the person must have financial benefit. Was there any court evidence say Wontumi have financial benefit from the illegal mining?
From that activity? Yes. Would it necessarily be said also financial benefit?
Why not? What would be the gain for Wontumi so the Nachasi will be said Uncle yo galamse? Say yes, say me Kofi Tonto Wontumi. A day na me de masasi be mo bi so mfanye galamse. Say ohun ye me fenti. The court relied on circumstantial evidence, implied evidence. Isn't it logical?
Okay, so why a law?
No. But the point is, maybe law, but and never be Obi. The point is, implicitly, nobody will give their property to you without any benefit, especially when they know there is serious money to be made. But media, so far, maintain evidence. Be I say, dear was say okoye galam say ni disikabre Wontumi. That is the point. So in this case, Wontumi cannot be a campaign. And a Wontumi so akase media manfa masasi ama se fakoye galam say. And a court no asemu a work na nye explicit evidence ampa. Uka so mfa nkoye galam say wo say waka wo de we aka ne de ba mimi de madwene bubu a ubeka say
me ba ya metie Kofi wa emotional nyina yes baby ogina no saa na wo say ba na anye se mete hey asem to nipa na ye me de but say yes small man no etoda accountability ni bi beba e bi be de e bi nye de. We make some few years ago, somewhere 2003. So kai quality green case na we akwa me pramo.
Yeah.
Na me kai area kiti be samria I think 28th of April. Na ye tam ye penny for akese me makoma ensa. Samre no akwa me praka ho. Ibrahim Adam, former Minister for Food and Agriculture, and we are Yankee. On us know your official the ministry, and we are Kwame Pepranankas. Kwame Peprako 4 years, and former Greek minister then also you didn't call 2 years, and the other official from the ministry, and so on also you didn't call 2 years. It wasn't easy then. Ebanisana. Enema who do pin deba because Kaisa case nana the lives of Nana Tudazimo, Dr. Samuel Dapa, and is a Professor Hoy. Omina include on but ye quay him nani who say Uncle Fubimu or who son sabrobe and ye young and Ubi Koy. I remember Abia Samre Nunami Miss Sakakradia. But as a political party, so leadership and tisa maybe 2 or more obi very painful. And also okay ura chachu chikata. Okan chachu chikata de Ghana for the name no emra. Kanipa abin o mra mu o man we mo. Obo ba ku mienu na wa mo chachu gina na em se wa na onima ba kwasem a woka. Na ye kai entansa ye de bono okokoso mo GMPC na ifra ben mu na ye hwe kwan a ye de ne fa so the kind of trial course so creation of a track high court a whole lot of issues drama be brave at the end of the day court no a sentence no e ma no agina mu a se until so no ambeko appeal ababonten no presidential pardon kra no ompe so kaipa ugina mu a enya tentene ne assign the by nti DSC ne ise bi a politician bi ya convict no ana ya man sentence ne ise bi sida ebi ayeden asida but yanka se DSC ntin so na nipa ka de oka nti DSC na no Kofi abotre bibia be fine mekai Ura Victor Solomon obis ono so kai ono so no deputy finance minister ewo NDC aban pemu mekai time December ono so ya charges the born defrauding by false pretense ni de keka ho ono so yedne kokotu mu afiase na ade ba ko no mepese Kofi Tonto musua lesson di free mu ewo de asine Debia ye ba fidie so ne bakasa no mo site appointees a emready omo ediomo akwafiase someone yache why for near from say Jida
Jida at the time
Abuga Pele
mo sure
and Ora TV NCA
NCA
case yenko for nina Only on mobile in studio and more site, and I achieve for we achieve NPP Nibia Cranko Fiasada. You see, we are not wishing say was say equalization, but there's some no year no, and then so ebisina and yet will be the mechanot myself. And Tiname Pesotia said, this is not the first time as a sentence be an as a conviction be about Aquama politician. Tina me Moman, Victor Solo, me Kwame Pepra, Reta Juchekata, and then the Kekahu in an amebo bocheno. And ye Juma de Ashe son. Ye, na ye ni ya, ye be yason faso. Ye, and sona ya ni ya, and son bebe kind. We made a judgment na baby. Pedro Crane de Sunday me na me kan mu kakra. Obi. De Kofi ti a oye nyina court dan wa bobo. Asam ni kan court. There's another avenue for your lawyers. On bet me akwa appeal anamebo. So on make pronouncement class on be appeal the decision.
A party na kase yes. They should appeal.
Yes. So I think say this is the right time on be gather the brains they have in the party, the so-called men, no, to sit and read the decision well. Na baby or munim say court bad time no nyina kwampa so na dia temu no bae no ye gina so dia appeal the decision in court. But as me no betena ha na wo se unim die mu no won evidence bi e wo ni ade ade. Okura hu evidence anka wa yemfum so. Because unim mra. Judge and now couldn't suku and ya now when you romance of our bombers.
As a mass brothers and sweaty mebo.
Brothers and bombers.
Brothers bombers.
Or moon celebrate full mass no David romance of the bombers. Nami mass of several brothers, yes, several fathers.
I mean can't say
and I met you on me
brother to me several mass.
Brother yeah sorry I was segment be do a community me the man no akochebi. But say asemosi ye person for bombers a romance of a Roman brother. And to convince them all Kenya and a court to die one bubu. You should sit as a party, brainstorm. Namonko. Nadia was a more kamamuni and be a monko kamano. One assembly, Emreben Shasia. Obi, I think it started somewhere. Was it 2021 or 2019? 2022.
2022.
2022.
Time of petitions, they started about 2022.
Yes. So Bekaya. No nimrim forest ebeji din pa sesa case na bia na asan dia bon no so ni cases na yesent
seta no nimrim forest de ne wo ho eno is ongoing
ye wo tano nimrim eno so ye same mining issues
no wa mining issues
ene wo samra boy
yes
so the question is nipa ba akofo adan na wonko a kwa ebretu mu charges nko na edebo Kofi Tonto te a mo ba ban mu mfie nwotwe a wanya hwi one koye galamsey one kwaje concession ya obi ankoye ne concession so adwuma mama so meyi na no nyonete
obi amo ne sobo mekai
president Mahama kan say me chair appointees o se sa mine nsem no man appointees bi ankonkwaje concession na o de kwa brane for din kwaje concession bi na asem mrane na ese Agyei Pedro ebi amenu Pedro mu ho nti ama me titles so metimi akooperate. Because Obi, the concession is in your name. When you're the amount, a bank crate mono, you name so when you're the amount, and I'm a boy. And it's a one more who buy ye, nebi BBA could see assassin, so I won't buy a day anymore. And no, there was all the two things.
Yes.
And one say a toda a dear BI politicians in your opportunity near per se, ye nyad the epifit memo for ye shemra, and now yes, some remo, you're very careful. Obi, for a very long time in this country, na mining in the forest reserve crown and I abandon under President Akufo-Addo. Munim de nama hu kwa ibretu munti. Mo bese samra ne se. Mo be ma mo party mpanimfo no kwan. Ama mo aye kwaye mu adwuma se yen sase ne forest. And say Kufiti the lies of Kennedy Japan mo kra no mo title mo headquarters Kalamse head office no mo bobo party penning for be breeding who doesn't know enti mo amend law na munya opportunity to enter a forest reserve de mo pe bia na namoye so e ho no de ne hia ne se de concession na ma ene so de be mo obi na adi ama na waje cat eno amfa ho ne dia entia ben na nipa wo samra boy antia obi na no ada nso bi eto ohun videos na bae no e fa kuro ni nyina we don't wish obi bad but I thought that na ye wo leadership we should be a bit honest ni en kan okrenchre ye ho NPP for mpanimfo bebre NPP wa ban mu na omoye man ne no dodo sen na omugina court okay sir statement na abugina po issue ye no go for the statement and read e ka tano nimri ho asem and e ka samra boy sa two forest ni na da na nipa ba ko na de won tanza abo no ono nkwa na oyo defo in your party say obetimi asay akwaye no ena sa time asem no ba ya President Akufo-Addo man verbal mouthwash okay
verbal mouthwash no as you put it no was in relation to Tanonim.
Yes me ba eno no the man we no nim say we ba na he's in court on that same issue so I thought that na say ye wa ban mu a obi say o wo favor cry wo those in authority, be careful how you use it. Obetimi a presidential darling boy. Upi ya president who any Agyei. Samre ne de mfie na ne de we darling boy o. Because president na ye attorney general. Nti asem kura bana mampani kan se ya na bibia edi. Ba de asi nei a case study ama ya manyofo ni nyina. Say any opportunity that you get, always put in mind, say one day you'll be accountable to Ghanaians. And at the AC or court, and yet persecution is answer now or tear walk cano.
I didn't hear.
Emrana, ya de chain no, John Mahama by what room rafro. What I mean the loss, Mibiana?
No.
Emraya, Edemokwe, Emra mo beto so ene de mo amende no obi ene nka ne sentence na aba no old law no nanke how many years
3 to 5 years
why mo ne amende law no
2019 under
why na no power
under the MPP
enti yes obofuo nim so obewe ado atire enka ohunu hu yi yes
abroson
faso ena mo the same political party ena mo granting mo leadership the audience to enter into a forest reserve na mo amended the same law okay mo yes ana na munim se bibi chefo ma mu yi ni nyina adi no na munim se mo boda ache problem na to ha ma mo so Kofi young person like you enemy I thought that we may need favor from the leadership but I thought that yes yenye principle kakra say a time will come if such or those leaders are no more there yenye be future leaders ne say de kan de bia no entinye de bia na obi ya de na o man yodum obi se wo defense ya chia e beto da na fans ne de ma okra won kasa sei na we because obetimi age fans ne beto da na afono
Abi we no clock it na okay
da bia asem kana meka me se
clock it no e Gen Z for language
say no anti say wo defense ya chia be we na old man wo ba Gen Z some said that didn't no so chama Wontumi obi anwe ne bad but mo party no kra mo support no
I didn't hear
and no court
then that's why my whole press conference
na ye bu awie na mo ye ade no mo ani na chi an court nanwa ye menu miracle yoku invite na wie ya okọ thank you to
yes
hwe party for ekogu ho uhu odo a party for kire ma miracle Kofi Tonto mu 2 days no mo need
you should stop him from
this fadie no yoku anim ho no
yes o mo invite
thank you to no de no nye yoku
there be me ba me say na no mo invite miracle like Kofi like onko ye 2 days na Kofi Tonto ni
o na say Wontumi so yoku invite anya na MPs na kwata na form ni
me ba Ghana form sorry munti
omo de ne ba omo de ba yoku
oti nwure mo no ne ne koy ena me kire say menu miracle so oni say miracle de menu me say
na mo bo ni pa ye mu ja sa de kan masa Livia minia na mudi eboni masa
na no a
ya show ko tabetna be unia no
ya to nsafre minia miracle
yes
Kofi Tonto ni Kwasi Botwemo striker ahodo mo de ko Kwasi Botwe de na nanim guase check obia
na Kwasi Botwe ya nanim guase
me wo na obi send video bi ma
sani ete sa dia na kire se NDC foni suro ne suro so omude be so bo ne babo chama wontumi so otu galamsey because of say bi omunsu ye binti na omunsu suro na o se busia adensi ne yen nim se chama wontumi de ye nyina nra ye jele ne de betima ka se 90% of Ghanaians after say na me break it down the reason why intia ya jele na ne say ya man 20 years in prison no ye be break it down ye de yen nim se galamsey obi ye ne nra akoye comment section na se a na chama wontumi ase ye nsuo ene ase manso kwa sana ni nyina nyamu bia sana mfa ho bebiala emfa ho bebia neche se ye nso me nim se me ye gala ni bi nse ne me gala ni chi na omu so me gala be chi me but ye ma ye de mo ye dai me no disika bia e be chew cause we nya first time kino for reata ye penache no Samuel Aboagye e kwa chi ni yekofo ni nyina ye sikasem ono nkotu gala eyeska no akodie so odi yeso woni ye mo se eyeska no akodie na sika bia akodi ni ho awaso oba entia no de mo ye dai esana mo twa to what this ayi de mama ne tata media abusia ne second time media esane de empepada ena NPP fo na ena NPP fo do ya no mabegina ho ena ye de ye pensi anchi obi a eye mo amu banku mo ana mo pe na mo anchi obi mo ana mo pe na mo chi obi na mo ko gina mra nim na mo ja ma no ko ye ena president Mahama so ono de on chew fa ko gina mra nim nya okone bra obema mra ni no wadi ba 20 years there ene na mitie no mo say oh first no before President Nanado time no na eye maximum say minimum ye 3 years. And say Nanado mo time no mo raise the call 20 years. Awo abusia nipa de na wutie krom ebam tie kroms oh ya oh chama wontumi oh Agyei oh also adwenche ne say fa to comment section ni share video e mod of phobia nya bia nhwe say nye your friend say galamsey ne de born no na enya manso kwan ne de share ne nsa say yesi wonya no awa say yesi wa anya no eno enti na sa mere yama ne 20 years no na yesi me fan say ye de ade wo me ho na me so me de akomo obi na nipa kro no say ade no na menti mi an change amfre midim anko nipa kro dim say ade na wa say no enye midim minim ho hwe ne nipa kro na say no na midim das na sto nipa na me hwe no na se nipa no ko di adanse krumu kese de to me so no na nam so amenne chama wontumi akodi afiase yenim se omba apili so mu apili sunama yoku na nkasa yenim de omu ankasa eye mo hwe TV mestro so be subscribe na do adwenchaba na afi wa share amodofo bi enya bi ahye mo somfo na na journey makram